Now students, next is unit of power. Like power is equal to work done upon time taken. So the unit of power is watt, work done is joule, and time is seconds. So we can define the SI unit of power, that is 1 watt. The power is said to be 1 watt when 1 joule of work is done in 1 second. Now again, there are some bigger units of power like kilowatt, these are the bigger units, then megawatt, then gigawatt. So 1 kilowatt, that is equal to 10 raised to power 3 watt. 1 megawatt, that is equal to 10 raised to power 6 watt, and 1 gigawatt, that is equal to 10 raised to power 9 watt. Students, you have to learn all these units in order to solve the numerical problems. Now you can make a difference between work and power. Now let us move to the next topic, that is energy. Energy, the capacity to do work, that is known as energy, and it is also a scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity. Then the units of energy as same that of work. Like 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to power 7 erg. The bigger units, that is watt hour and kilowatt hour. Now 1 watt hour, that is equal to 1 watt into 1 hour. So 1 watt, that is equal to 1 joule per second into 1 hour. Convert it into seconds, that is 3600 seconds. So it is 3600 joule. Then the second is 1 kilowatt hour. Again 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. So in 1 kilowatt there is 1000 watt, and in 1 hour there is 3600 seconds, and it will be 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joule. So 1 watt hour is equal to 3600 joule, and 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joule. Now there is another unit of energy, that is calorie. So 1 joule is equal to 0.4 calorie, and 1 calorie is equal to 4.18 joule. So another unit is there, that is electron volt. This is also important. Electron volt. This is another unit of energy. The energy of atomic particle is very small, so it is measured in electron volt. So 1 electron volt is equal to charge on an electron. Charge on electrons, everybody knows that it is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb into 1 volt, that is represented with V. So this is equal to 1.6 10 raised to power minus 19 joule. So 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joule. So with this, today we have finished with the basic introduction of work, energy and power along with their units. Now students, numericals are given. There are 16 numericals at the page number 28 and 29. Now you can try at home, and if you find any of the problem, we can share our problems with each others. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.